Hi friends, I'm Dr. Rekha Kali and I have come with the reading of wisdom messages for you after a very long time. Earlier, I used to give a daily message of every sun sign. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give a weekly message in details for each sun sign. So it will go spread, I will be spreading over a week. Right now, let me take the reading for Libra for the coming week, that is from 3rd May to 7th May. And let us see. As per our method, first we are going to check out from the cards of tips, and I'm just going to shuffle the cards. And I'm just taking out a card and what it is. The tips for this sun sign says spread plus series plus intuition. Okay, now let us see, not the series but in the spread. How many? The spread of how many? Let us shuffle that. And now we got the spread of 3. Okay. So we will require to choose a spread of 3 from the set of 5 different sets for 3 number. And now let us see which series, because we have 10 different series of messages. So let me shuffle, and yes, I have got the message B. The series is B for this sun sign. And now let me shuffle the sign or the spread for series of 3, and it says know, remember and let go. So you have to check out the 3 things. The sun sign Libra has to check out 3 things in this week. First, what they should know, then what they should remember, and what they should let go. Now let us see what is there for them in the wisdom messages. I just took the set of cards for B and I'm just shuffling them, and I'm taking out one card for first number, that is for no. The second card I'm putting for the other, that is remember, and third card I'm putting for the third message, that is let go. Now let us see what these cards say. What a person of Libra should know. And wow, that's a message. Be diplomatic. That means people with Libra sun sign should know that they should be diplomatic today and this whole week in whatever they do. They have to be careful. They should be properly diplomatic. That is the first message. Then what they have to remember? Let us see. Oh wow, that is a reverse of be silent. Reverse. That means they have to remember that they should not be silent every time. They should speak up. They have to speak up in certain situations, but by being diplomatic. They should not be silent. They should speak, but in a diplomatic way. That is what they have to remember. They have to speak up. And what they should let go, oh my God, See, this is again a reverse card. And it says, be considerate, reverse of it. Oh my goodness. That means they should let go the tendency of being considerate every time. At least during this week. It seems the Librans are being too considerate. And so, they should not be too considerate. These are the messages for them. Just see, reverse of be considerate is what they have to let go. Reverse of be silent is what they have to remember. And they have to know that they must be diplomatic. These are the three messages the Librans must follow throughout this week. And I'm sure if they do that, you all will really find that you can handle majority of the situations in your life in a very, very successful manner, very perfect manner. Okay? Now friends, understand one thing, that unlike the traditional tarot reading, these messages are different. These are not the angel cards, they are not the tarot cards. They are different. And these are the cards where you have specific messages. The blue cards are the first ones we have to take. We have to choose tips. We have to choose some tip. Then we have to follow the tip. If the tip says just a single card and counseling, then out of the all 150 cards, you have to shuffle them, you have to take out just one card. Now here we had got spread, series and intuition. So we had to choose one spread from one series. Okay, so this is the thing. Then for the series, these are the series cards which talk about all the 10 series. Only the series names are given here. Then here are the spread cards. You can see the spread cards. Here you are told the number 3, 5, 6, whatever. And afterwards, for each spread, now just now we had got a spread of 3. So here, these are the 5 different cards, 5 different types of spreads for the cards for the spread of 3, of which we had got this, no remember ended. Okay, so this is how we do, and this, the prediction, the messages I gave are for the entire Libra sign, sun sign. And in addition to that, of course, if anyone wants any personal reading, any personal prediction, well, you can certainly contact me. You can have my mobile numbers from the comments about this particular video, and you can contact me. Right? So best of luck and have a great week. Bye.